everyone. For today's ganap, we visited Louis Vuitton Visionary exhibit, and this is what we got. So we got this for free. We have this pencil and also ang ilahang postcard. So mo ni ang sulod. Wow, actually karon pa ko kita sa dani. Wala na ko siya gi-open ganina. Very nice. And also ang ilahang pencil. Na-open na ni siya ganina. So kabalo na mi nga pencil ni siya. Ooh! Tulo ka buok. Ay, 4 jud. So we got 4 pencils from Louis. Afterwards, naadto na lang po mi sa ilang Lay Cafe. So we get their Thai tea for 280 baht. Actually, mas lami itong sa karon, but we paid for the brand. So okay na pod. We also got their cookies. So we have 2 cookies from LV. Wow, actually naka-individually pack siya. And this is handmade. And hapit na po mi sa Central World to shop a bit. So we have from Tommy Hilfiger and of course, Gentlewoman. So we got this bag. Cutesy. So that's it. Until next time. Bye.